Fix-It Patio Inc. Keep your patio furniture looking new with Fix-It Patios upholstery services for outdoor furniture. We also offer automotive and marine upholstery services for seats, marine cushions and more. When it comes to your Naples upholstery needs, call us at 239-200-1674. For more information, please visit our website, www.fixitpatio.com, or contact us through phone 239-200-1674. You can visit our office, 2360 Linwood Avenue, Naples, Florida, 34112. Fix-It Patio Inc.